You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access the cabin filter, you must remove the glove box. To remove it, identify the latches located underneath, lift them up, then slide them inwards. Open the glove box and pull on it to extract it. You should now be able to see the location of the cabin filter flange. Pinch the two tabs on the cover and pull on it. Remove the filter.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and smells, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little more expensive, they're probably the best option. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. We recommend sliding in the upper part first. You can then put the flange back. Put the glove box back in, sliding it into its housing. Then lock it in place with the latches. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.